Welcome to the Building Construction Materials Marketing Benchmarks for 2026. Powered by CUFinder, this report breaks down the digital marketing metrics that matter most for building construction materials professionals worldwide. Device distribution shows mobile at 58%, desktop at 42%, and tablet at 58%. Mobile optimization is essential for reaching your audience effectively in this industry. For engagement, average session duration is 17 minutes with 3.2 pages per session. The bounce rate averages 48.5%. Traffic sources reveal organic search drives 42% of all traffic. Direct traffic accounts for 30%. Paid search brings 12.0%, and social contributes 2.1%. For pay-per-click, Google Ads CPC averages $2.85. Facebook ads cost $1 per click. The average cost per acquisition is $2.85. Conversion rates show an overall rate of 3.4%. Retention metrics show a 65% customer retention rate. On social media, LinkedIn leads at 2.1% engagement. Instagram follows at 1.4%. TikTok is at 0%. Email marketing shows an average open rate of 22.8%. Click-through rate is 4.8%. Key takeaways for building construction materials. Mobile traffic at 58% makes mobile first essential. LinkedIn leads social engagement at 2.1%. Email open rates of 22.8% show strong audience engagement. And organic search drives 42% of all traffic. Thank you for exploring the Building Construction Materials Benchmarks 2026. For more data-driven insights and to find your customers faster, visit CUFinder at CUFinder.io.